Changing a duvet cover is one of those things that sounds simple and somehow takes 20 minutes and your dignity. Let's fix that. This is the burrito method, and once you learn it, you'll never go back. Start with your clean duvet cover. You want it inside out, lay it flat on top of the duvet that's already on the bed. Before you do anything else, take a second to line everything up. King duvets especially can run long on one end, so match up all four corners and sides before you start rolling. Now, tie the corners. Most duvet covers have little strings inside each corner, and sometimes down the side. Tie those to the corners of your duvet. This keeps everything from shifting while you work. Here's where the magic happens. Start rolling both layers together, working towards the end with the zipper or the buttons. Keep it tight and even, like you're actually rolling a burrito. Once you rolled all the way to the end, you're going to flip the cover inside out over itself, starting to fold it around the roll. Think of it like you're unrolling a burrito, but in reverse. Keep going, pull it through as you unroll, back toward the head of the bed. Once it's fully unrolled, grab each end and give it a good fluff. That evens everything out and gets your duvet sitting right inside the cover. Zip it up or button the end, give it one more shake to settle everything, then make the rest of the bed. That's it, every time. No wrestling, no disappearing inside the duvet, no calling for backup. Your guests will never know how easy it is, and that's fine. Let them think you're magic. The Wheatley Creek team turns over homes all across Grand County. If you'd rather hand this off entirely, we're around. From Grand Lake to Winter Park, call the Wheatley Creek team.